Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
To make a potion of fire resistance 8 o'clock, you will need 1 potion of fire resistance 3 o'clock and 1 redstone. Place the potion of fire resistance 3 o'clock in one of the bottom boxes in the brewing stand menu. Then add the redstone to the top box.
Take our lead.
Dragon's Breath is the vital ingredient used to turn splash potions into lingering potions. Dragon's Breath can be collected in a bottle by right-clicking on the cloud when the Ender Dragon, in the end, breathes the toxic cloud onto a player.
Take our lead.
Zombie villagers can be cured by using a golden apple regular on them while they are under the effects of weakness, which can be applied by a splash potion of weakness thrown by the player or a witch.
Let's help you make your mark.
Glowstone dust can now be brewed in a water bottle to create a thick potion. Glowstone dust now strengthens the potions of swiftness, healing, harming, poison, regeneration and strength. Glowstone dust now strengthens the new potion of regeneration.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.